The CambTEK sample preparation extractor, SPEx, uses two new technologies, High Frequency Pulverizing HFP and Force Jet Mixing FJM, to achieve rapid, reproducible and convenient sample preparation of solid dosage forms. The SPEx has also been designed to be very affordable, allowing all laboratories the benefit of semi-automated sample preparation. The extraction pouch has been designed to perform both dissolution and crushing functions, and has discrete zones to achieve these. A force jet mixing FJM zone for dissolution and a high frequency pulverizing HFP zone for crushing of the solid dosage form into powder before or during dissolution. The high frequency pulverizing of solid dosage forms into powders is achieved within the extraction pouch. Specifically designed crusher plates modulate at very high frequency to quickly crush the solid form into a powder. Once in the powdered form, dissolution is much quicker. The high frequency pulverization can be run dry or in combination with the force jet mixing. This gives great flexibility and enables the SPEx to easily process many different types of formulations. Immediate release through to difficult prolonged release. Tablets, capsules, pastilles, lozenge are easily processed in single form or in bulk. The force jet mixing is achieved by a set of tension rollers moving up and down the outside of the extraction pouch. This creates jets of fluid turbulence within the pouch. The tension rollers can travel up to 2 Hz, and unlike shaking or stirring, gives a very high turnover of the entire body of the fluid within the extraction pouch. This results in rapid homogeneity and dissolution. The pouch has also been designed to achieve sample preparation whilst eliminating the need for glassware, cleaning steps, carryover and cleaning validation burden. Simply dispose of the pouch after use. There are 2 extraction pouch sizes, a 25 to 100 ml pouch and a 50 ml to 500 ml pouch, to further increase the flexibility of the CambTEK SPEx for all your methods and sample types.